Okay. 아, 사과 이쁘게 생겼다. You don't need?
I already.
Okay. Woke up early.
So I quit my job, so that's why I have a lot of time. And now I'm traveling with a small motorbike.
Oh
I
shit.
have to do like small steps.
Yeah?
South.
Like at the beach?
Yeah.
A little beach?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Christian. Här.
Harry.
Ja.
벤이 아니네?
Well, that's a
Oh,
big van, huh?
Yeah. How long does it take to arrive to the hostel?
You har reservation med Ceci?
I don't know, just he made a reservation instead of me, so I don't know anything. You know?
Yeah, he said that you would bring us to a guest house.
Yeah.
You gonna swim today?
Sim.
Swim.
Ah, no.
You should.
This is good.
와, 풍경은 진짜 알바니아 최고인데. 잠깐 세웠어요. 경치가 너무 좋아가지고. 풍경이 계속 바뀌네. 와우. 그거다?
Yeah.
Christy.
Hello.
I'm a bit scared since I saw the snow. I
Yeah?
need to swim, yeah. It's gonna be cool. Yeah. It sounds like Turkey. Yalla. Yalla. 꽤 많이 들어가는구만. This is Montenegro
Ja.
and Kosovo.
Ja.
Okay.
Pip, pip.
아, 여기가 이제 몬테네그로고 이쪽이 코소보래요. That's Kosovo.
Nej, Shala. This is Kosovo. Andra.
Ah, okay, behind the mountain. 아, 와,
Beautiful, huh?
아, oh, beautiful, huh? Whew, fresh. 아, 십자가도 멋있다. 중간중간 멈춰서 이렇게 풍경 보는 게 맛있네. 가봅시다 이제. 아, 여기에 마을이 있어버리네. Too much peaceful.
Han sa att han tar turista till sig kommer ihåg.
자, 반갑습니다. 저는 지금 알바니아 북쪽 테스라는 곳에 와 있고요. 오늘은 작은 트립이 있는 날입니다. 그래서 호스텔 친구들이랑 여기까지 오게 됐는데 여기 멋들어진 이런 설산도 있고요. 특히 블루 아이라고 여기 북쪽, 알바니아 북쪽에 오면 꼭 보고 가야 되는 계곡이 있대요. 제가 또 자연 좋아하지 않습니까? 그래서 여기까지 오게 됐습니다. 쉬쉬쉬쉬. 이런 어마무시한 풍경에서 25유로에 하루 3끼까지 포함이 되는 가격입니다. 크레이지 투어라고 말씀드릴 수 있겠습니다. 아, thank you. How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm pretty good. 후. 아, 충분하지. Okay. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
지나치게 평화롭다는 표현이 맞을까요? 아. 샤. 샤. 뭐야? 뭐냐고 너? 약간 너 아싸구나. So 3 hours by walk? Okay. 오늘은 가서 점심을 먹을 건가 봐요. You ready, pink boy?
I'm ready.
I like your jacket. Thank you. See you in a bit. 가봅시다.
Do you put music on or?
Yeah, background music, but I usually use no copyright one. The free music, you know. It takes a long time to choose the nice one. Yeah, but I'm good at choosing. I think you will see my video and give me feedback. 이게 뭐 3시간 하이킹이라고는 하는데 경사가 없대요. 그 등산하는 거 싫어하잖아요 제가. 그래서 오늘은 좀 괜찮을 것 같습니다. 그리고 풍경이 너무 좋아서 조금 등산해도 오늘은 동기부여가 좀 생기는 것 같아요. 배경도 있고. 3 weeks ago I was in Egypt. They were always crowded and lovely in the city. Cheaters, sellers. €1, where are you from? Why you were here? And then here it's peaceful in the same world. 와, 물이 옥빛깔이네. 약간 석회질 성분이 좀 있나? So we have to cross the river?
Yeah.
그래도 방수가 되는 신발이라 다행이네. 생각보다 찾아가기가 빡세네. You're good at hiking, right?
I guess.
It's not good road to hike.
This?
Yeah.
No, that's actually a good road. I mean,
Oh.
hiking, it can be like this all the time, or even worse sometimes.
Okay. What is this?
This is a sign that we're on the right way.
Ah,
Whenever we see these signs, it shows us that it's the hiking path.
that's cool. It's like Santiago.
Yes.
I've never been there. You been there?
No.
You hope?
They're more like mountains, and Santiago is quite flat.
Ah, yeah. You're not interesting. Yeah. You like just hiking, the
Yeah.
climb.
Yes.
Very opposite person from me. 뭐야 이거? How can you cross?
We can also cross the bridge.
Yeah. Let's take the easy way. Do you like adventure?
Oh, it's like too deep, I guess.
You wanna swim right now?
No.
Yeah, no, man. 그래도 코스가 잘 나 있어서 다행이다. 유튜브 힘들다잉? 어?
You can go, I catch up.
아, 오케이. 오늘은 여기 풍경이 너무 좋아가지고 편안하게 좀 힐링을 하실 수 있게 좀 많이 보여드릴게요. Jesus.
I think they're very religious in this.
Uh-huh.
Are you religious?
No, not you.
Me neither.
I'm just trust myself. God of carrot.
Like the rabbit.
No.
Is it? You don't like rabbits, huh?
Yeah.
They eat them.
I'm an animal person. I love every animal beside dove. You know dove? You like dove?
I don't care about dogs.
Okay. But when you're eating something
Yeah.
and they're coming to you,
Yeah.
they have so many bad things
They're
on their
rude.
skin.
They're also rude.
Rude.
Yeah, they're always
That's
like,
why I hate them. So rude about what?
I don't know, they just come and try to steal something. You know?
Okay. 비둘기들이 좀 버릇이 없긴 하지.
Which one is your favorite animal?
Dog.
Dog.
Puppy especially. I'm turning to cat person because before I came here I was in a hostel in Tirana.
Yeah.
There's 2 kitties in the hostel. It was fucking cute.
Yeah, they're cute. Every small animal is cute.
Yeah, like me. 아, 정색을 하네. You alright?
Yes.
대부분 평지긴 한데 큰 돌들이 많아서 걷기 막 그렇게 편하진 않아요. Someone made this.
Maybe for like dogs and.
Uh-huh. Any help?
No, it's fine.
아, 저기 폭포 높다. 맛있네. Up to you.
I think it's that way, right?
Yeah, because there's so many trees. Just protest from the suns. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, much better. We choose well. 이게 이제 너는 맞게 가고 있다 그런 표식이래요. 미라지가 너무 좋아하겠다. 미라지가. Yeah, that's nature.
Yeah.
I told you I'm a good photographer.
Yeah.
사진은 한국인이지. 저는 저 친구한테 부탁 안 하려고. 아까 한 장 찍어줬었는데. How old were you?
Now?
Yeah,
25.
25.
And you?
20, you can guess.
20.
Uh-huh.
Wait, you told me you.
No, no, no.
24 and
Just guess.
24. So you look like 24.
24, okay.
But maybe because you work, I think 27.
Oh, yeah. I'm 28. I'm 29 in my country. We have a different age thing.
Really? So you're like when you're born, you're 1 year old.
Yeah, you know that.
I didn't know that.
No. My mom was pregnant. We got 1 year already.
Ah, makes sense to be honest.
Yeah, makes sense.
Because you're like already there.
Yeah.
When you're in your mom's body.
Yeah. Who told us there's no? Huh? You? But this is fine.
Yeah, it's worth it.
But
Worth
more-
the effort, and we have to get hot anyway because we wanted to go for a swim, right?
Yeah.
So it's nice to.
Let's think about it positive.
Are there mountains in Korea?
Yeah. We have beautiful mountains.
But you
Yeah, I'm
never
proud of it.
went there to go hiking.
It depends on the mountain. The one of mountain that I always give recommendation to foreigners is called Hanlasan. Hanla Mountain.
Hanna Mountain.
Yeah, Hanla Mountain.
Hanna.
Hanla.
Hanna.
Go there. There's so huge. I don't know how can I say in English. When the volcano is over, there must be the hole, big
Yes.
hole there.
And a lake now?
Sometimes I think.
Yeah, I don't know the English word for that.
You don't know too. Okay.
Jan, weißt du, was Krater auf Englisch heißt?
Great crater. I don't know. Never mind. Just you should go to Hanla Mountain.
Okay.
Just remember, okay?
Hanna or Hanna?
Hanla. You will satisfy it. I'm sure. Hello. 후. 최고다 진짜. I love it. I love nature.
Maybe you learn to love it, you know,
Yeah.
if you just start gradually.
예. 사실 등산도 막 엄청 싫어하는 건 아니고 좋은데 유튜브로 쓸 게 없어. 유튜브로 그래서 안 하는 거 또 있긴 있어요. 지금 맨날 등산만 다니면 등산 유튜버가 돼버리니까. Water. That's cool. You're a professional.
So before, when you start traveling, your English was
Yeah,
very good.
bullshit. The most effect my experience is I was in Australia. I was walking home. I worked in Korean restaurant, and then all customers are from the local. So that's why I started learning English. Are you guys hungry?
Yes.
Yeah. I think there's a good point. The next river. This is my life. It's funny, huh?
Yeah, well, I think I would be, I couldn't do it, but I see how much work it is.
Yeah.
So.
Is it blue-eyed?
Well, express.
Ah, yeah.
Hop on a
Let's
little-
start from here, right?
Yeah.
And your English accent is like British.
Yeah, my boyfriend is British.
Ah, yeah. You learned from your boyfriend.
Well, I mean, I have done it at school, but then, I mean, we don't see each other that often, so it's not like I'm living there.
Big rock.
Yeah, we can
Okay.
sit on this.
Sure,
Have a
sure.
good view.
Careful. 자, 여기서 먹으면 되겠다. 최고의 명당이구만. 언제 이런 데서 점심을 먹어보겠습니까? 살면서 먹은 우유 중에 제일 맛있어. Yeah, it's the best lunch in my life.
Really?
Nah.
It's coffee.
Hey. Okay. Lunch was much better than fancy restaurant. You guys know how far from here?
2 hours.
2 hours from here. Are you sure?
Yes. 2 hours to travel.
Oh my god. I think the best way how to learn English is just dating with someone and they're arguing because I have to say that I want to say,
Yes.
or just visiting every hostel in the world.
Yeah.
제가 영어 실력이랄까요? 회화 실력이 조금 늘었어요. 호스텔 다니면서 이런 친구들 만나서 같이 여행하고 이렇게 하는 게 여행도 좋은데 어떻게 보면 영어가 이제 세계적으로 유용하잖아요. 그런 부분은 좋은 것 같아요. 완벽하진 않지만 점차 더 나아지겠죠? Hello. 아, 대단하다. Blue Eye. 저희 목적지입니다. Do you guys think it's worth climbing mountain tomorrow?
To be honest, I think you should really think about it because it's gonna be tough and there's gonna be some snow. So
Okay.
difficult, maybe.
Okay.
If you
But I
not
mean,
really experienced
uh-huh.
hiking before.
Alright. Both of you guys like mountain? Climb mountain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you. I know you. You?
Yeah.
Okay. 다음 영상은 아마 해발 2000m 등산하는 영상이 나올지도 모르겠네요. 아직 결정을 못했어. 풍경이 너무 좋아서 걸을 맛이 나네요. 아마 내일 등산도 하지 않을까 싶어요. 이 정도 풍경이면 용기를 내서. You can go. I can catch up you. 대자연이구나 진짜. 와. 너네 누가 보내서 왔냐? 냄새들이 안 나네. 신기하게. 목욕하고 왔나? 원래 양들 냄새 나는데. 오우씨. 소리가. 가자. Get off.
Yeah.
Take off. 오르막이 슬슬 나오네요. You don't understand what I'm saying.
No. Talking about me.
Nah. You know, I'm traveling alone and I can't feel like I'm alone because I always bring my stuff like GoPro. So yeah.
So you always have your
Yeah.
followers with you.
Yeah, kinda. What are you doing?
See the animal?
Animal? Where?
That one. That guy.
아. 오이씨. 아, 메뚜기. 와, 진짜 크다. It's flying. Disgusting. I don't like insects. Have you eaten?
Yes.
Have you eaten?
Yes.
Which one?
I don't know. Like, I don't know. They were all fried, so they didn't.
아,
have any
메뚜기, 메뚜기, 메뚜기. It's called 메뚜기 in Korea.
Okay.
메뚜기.
Say it again slowly.
안녕.
Annyeong.
안녕.
Annyeong.
Oh yeah,
Annyeong.
you're almost Korean. How long have you dated with your boyfriend?
3 years.
3 years till now. You had a video call often with him?
Yeah, like twice a week, I'd say,
Yeah.
and sometimes normal calls. But we also have like video dates when we have dinner together. Just
Uh-huh.
What's he in Korea?
It's kind of secret to my subscribers. They don't know about it.
Are you filming?
Yeah, so I turned off. I think
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you. Bye bye. We almost arrived. 포브스 선정 같이 하이킹하기 싫어하는 스타일 1위 캐럿맨. 아, 쪽팔려. 아, 사람들 있네. We're on the right way to Blue Eyes? Blue Eyes over there?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're from there? Thank you. How far from here?
Like 30 minutes.
30.
35.
Woo, thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day.
When you go there,
Uh-huh.
there is nothing 35 minutes.
우와, 뭐야? 야, 울릉도보다 더 맑은 것 같은데 물이? You guys ready? Are you sure? 와, 이 cross the line is crazy. 지금 15초 있다 나왔는데 발 보세요, 발.